In today's video, we're going to show you how to take this glass jar or container and turn it into a terrarium. That'll be fun, and these guys like it.
Okay, I have some small rock. We're going to make an aquarium or a terrarium today. And I have some small rocks. You can use anything you want. And I'm going to put them here so I can wash off the rocks because I don't want, this is for drainage. So I'm not quite sure how much I need. So I'm going to spread it out. Wash it off. I'm going to put about 1 inch of rock, this rock in the terrarium. Here's the terrarium. It was my old sugar canister. And I thought, well, I could turn it into a terrarium. We'll see what happens. All right, here we go. I'm going to pour it in real slow so not to break the glass. Okay, I'm going to take some potting soil, I happen to have a huge bag, and I'm going to put it in there. I've got a little over 1 inch of small pebbles, and now I'm going to tend to go for probably maybe 2 inches of soil. Okay, here comes the soil.
Are you going to put in any fancy rocks or anything?
Oh yeah.
Like decor?
I do. I have been a rock collector pretty much all my life. So I probably should find some. Okay, I chose 4 plants here. And hopefully they won't get too huge. I got this fuzzy one, but I don't know if it'll last in there. So I'll start here. Might add just a little more soil.
Will you put a cover on this thing?
Yes. You don't have to keep a cover on it all the time. It might be too much moisture.
And then where are you going to put it? I guess I'll find out.
Yeah. Put it in the house. It's always best to do it by east or south window, of which we only have an east window.
So stay tuned, right?
Correct. There we go. Let's see what happens here.
These were hand dug.
They were.
By our very own hands.
It's very dirty, but we liked it. We think Joseph liked it, our son.
And crystals give balance and clarity.
That's true, which I really need.
Which I need the balance.
Yeah, you do. Okay, we'll just do that for now. And I'm going to take it in the house, and then I'm going to put a little water in it, and then we'll just wait and see.
Here's the honeysuckle. Karen took the shortcut.
That should be it. Put lid on it. voila. See what